This video explains what CSS specificity is. Specificity here refers to a hierarchy system where different CSS selectors are given different values or ranks to determine which CSS style declaration is applied to an element when there are multiple conflicting declarations. For example, if we have two styling declarations that both target the same element, the one which uses a CSS selector that has the higher specificity value will be applied. Look at this example, where the paragraph element has a class of HINF115. There is a CSS style declaration for the class HINF115 and a CSS style declaration for the paragraph element. The paragraph selector has a lower specificity value than the class selector, so ultimately the class selector's style declaration will be applied and the text will be green. If the specificity values are the same, then the last style declaration will be applied. Generally, there are 4 categories defining the specificity hierarchy. In the order of highest to lowest specificity, they are 1. Inline styles, 2. IDs, 3. Classes, attributes, and pseudo-classes, and lastly 4. Elements and pseudo-elements. Each inline style has 1000 specificity value, each ID has 100 specificity value, each class, attribute, and pseudo-class has 10 specificity value, and each element and pseudo-element has 1 specificity value. As an example of calculation to determine the specificity value of a CSS selector, the selector p#id.class has a specificity value of 111 because the p-element selector has a specificity value of 1, the #id selector has a specificity value of 100, and the .class selector has a specificity value of 10.